Is your video retention low? And are you still spending hours writing scripts? Stop that. I made a free AI agent that writes perfect high retention scripts just for my channel, and you can build yours in under 5 minutes. If you're a content creator, you know the struggle. Converting a basic idea into a killer script with perfect hooks and CTAs takes ages. But what if your AI agent already knew your channel's vibe, audience, and style? Imagine, just come, chat, and boom, a perfect script is ready. No more writer's block, no more generic content. It's time-saving, always on brand, and every time it's better than your competition. Let's do this. First, obviously, you need to log in to Google Gemini with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see the Explore Gems option. If you've already created one, it will also show up under My Gems. Click on that Explore Gems button. Now click on Create a New Gem. Here you need to give your custom agent an identity. For the name, you can put something catchy like Viral Script Pro. For the description, be very clear. For example, this gem generates high-retention YouTube video scripts for AI dance ethical echoes, focusing on tech tutorials for 1835s. The clearer the description, the better the AI will work. Simple, right? Okay, this is the most crucial part of the process, the magic. You'll find a secret free instructions prompt in the description. This isn't a normal prompt, it's engineered for high-retention scripts. Simply copy that entire prompt. Now come back to Gemini and paste that copied prompt into the gem creation area. But wait, that prompt will have some blanks like your channel name, your target audience, age group, etc. You need to customize these fields with your channel's specific details. Stop using generic AI, build your own. And if you found this tutorial helpful, if you're excited to create viral scripts with ease, then quickly hit that subscribe button. That makes you part of our AI Dance Ethical Echoes family, and you won't miss any more amazing tech hacks. Once you've filled in all the blanks, just click Save! And boom, you've just created your custom YouTube scriptwriter agent. Now, whenever you need a new script, just open your gem and type your basic idea. For example, give me a script for a video on the best free AI video editors for beginners. And provide other relevant details that the agent asks you for, and then watch it generate a full, structured script with B-roll suggestions, hooks, and CTAs, perfectly tailored for your channel. No more repetitive prompting, no more forgetting important elements. Your AI agent already knows your style and will give you a perfect script each time, helping you create viral content consistently and save hours. So now you have the ultimate custom-built AI agent on Google Gemini as your gem for YouTube content creation. Stop struggling, start creating. Go build your custom gem quickly and tell us in the comments section what you named your agent. Like this video if it helped, share it with your content creator friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. While we'll see you in the next AI hack video. Keep creating.